So today guys, we're going over to Pure Customs with the Cayman. We're going to go fit this big light bar along the back of the car. It basically fits right underneath the spoiler, so it makes it a full length sort of light bar like the new 992 Porsches. So this has come from Porsche Master on Instagram. I'll put his details down below. I've had it a little while, so I do apologise to him because I haven't got around to fitting it. So today we're going to take this over to Pavs at Pure Customs and the car. I'm going to go fit it and show you what it looks like. So we've just got to Pavs. We'll have a little look around. He's on the phone upstairs. This is his Merc. Not too sure on Merc numbers, but yeah, this is static low, not on air. It was his car this year that he's run most of summer. This here is his car for 2024 summer, which is built in. Full airlift build, having the whole interior redone. Just had a fresh repaint. Yeah, going to be sick. So check that out next year when it comes out. We'll probably be doing a video on it. So yeah, make sure you check that out and we'll get the car in. It's like a box in a box. It's a square to a pyramid. He sent me a box of Toblerone. Oh, the tape's like stuck to it too.
Many hours later.
I think that's everything. Okay, so that's just all bubble wrap. That's all packaging, and then there's the actual light bar. There you go, simple. One light bar. So these come in 3 different colours. You can get a black one, which I've gone for as the car's black, and when the light's off I kind of want it to be kind of discreet so it's not there. There's a clear version as well, like a sort of Lexus style clear light, and there's a red one. I thought the red one might look a bit cheap, so I went with black. So we'll film it going on the car and show you what it looks like after. So before fitting the light, obviously you're going to use some adhesive stickiness, so you need to clean the area, make sure there's no residue or anything that's going to make it stick best. So alcohol based glass cleaner is perfect for that. So just give the area a squirt and just make sure the surface contact area is nice and clean of any contaminants before you fit it.
So what I've done was I've fed the cable through the back so it doesn't really pinch against any of the light fittings, you know, or against the body of the car. I'll solder this and heat shrink it, and then I'll hide all this here, this cable here, with some gloss black wrap, vinyl wrap, and that way it's a nice clean install rather than running it up the top here and letting it pinch against the light housing. So yeah, it's just a little bit neater.
So light bars all finished, we've just finished fitting it. I've done a great job. Obviously it wasn't a normal job, it was a custom job because it's pure custom, so it was changed. Was it easy?
Yeah, it was fairly simple. It was just routing the cables, making it nice and neat, rather than, you know, fitting it with the actual light housing that I mentioned earlier, with the loom, the cable touching the light housing. I've sort of rerouted the cable a different way. Overall, simple install, plug and play job pretty much. But you know, the outcome, the finish is great. You know, looks really good. Yeah.
Proper modernised it.
That's right. Yeah.
Like the modern Porsche, so
yeah.
Easy modification to a 981 Cayman.
Yeah.
Thanks very much.
Very happy with it.
Great success.